Alright, food lamp here on YouTube. We have looks like a tempura truck here. Let's see, what do we have? First time for me to see this. Tempura, we're in Hollywood. There's a little Frenchy truck over there. I don't know if you can see that. And here's tempura. OG Tempura. Name of this truck. Let's see what we can find out here. We have mochi ice cream. Apple fritters. Flank steak. Tempura. Teriyaki chicken, rice salad with sesame dressing, udon noodle soup, fish and chips. Turkey bacon with tarragon sauce, brine turkey breasts, and avocado strips wrapped in something.
Okay.
Shrimp tempura. Fish and chips. Chicken teriyaki. Anything can happen with the food trucks here in Hollywood. This is Food Lamps signing out. We're not eating from the truck today, but we're just chronicling all the trucks we can find.